Kawasaki Z750. Review popular bike to customize. The second version of the Kawasaki Z750 naked bike hits the right spot for lovers of style and a zinging engine. Much underrated in its original guise, the Kawasaki Z750 mimics the new stunning Kawasaki Z1000 for attitude, but has an engine that reaps rewards when abused and comes at much better price due to lower spec chassis parts. In April 2010, Kawasaki announced the Z750 Urban Sports Edition, pictured below. Ride quality and brakes. Part of the Kawasaki Z750 cost-cutting exercise involves simplifying the already budget suspension. Only one fork leg controls front rebound damping and the forks and rear shock are particularly soft. This means the handling of the quickish steering Kawasaki Z750 soon starts to go south when the bike's pushed hard. The Kawasaki Z750 can be so nearly righted with tweaks to put the fun back into riding what is otherwise a smile-inducing motorcycle. Engine. The Kawasaki Z750 is a rev-happy chap that also comes with a half-decent amount of low-down pull, thanks to reworked fuel injection and engine internals. Moving the Kawasaki Z750's engine mounts has also put paid to most of the vibes that afflicted the previous model. When the tacho needle hits 6,500 RPM, the Kawasaki Z750 comes alive. Use these revs and the Kawasaki Z750 instantly becomes a naked sports bike that begs to be abused. Reliability and build quality. The Kawasaki Z750 has a proven motor as it's a downsized ZX9R engine, and that has been around in various guises for donkey's years, so it is definitely understressed. Even though the Kawasaki Z750 swing arm, painted steel arm, and brakes are budget items, all of it's a known quantity, so frequent cleaning should see everything on the Kawasaki Z750 stay shiny. Value versus rivals. The Kawasaki Z750 was a budget bike, a couple of £100 cheaper than the new Honda Hornet and cheaper than a Yamaha Phaser 600. Even the Kawasaki Z750's extra 150 cubic centimeters placing shouldn't be too detrimental on the running costs. Equipment. Wave pattern discs all-round and decent brake pads are the Kawasaki Z750's braking savior, as it features decidedly old-hat 2-piston sliding calipers at the front. And that's about it. If the price was higher, then the Kawasaki Z750 score rating would be considerably lower, but as it is a built-to-a-price motorcycle. Specs. Engine size 748 cubic centimeters. Engine type 16V DOHC 4-stroke inline 4, 6 gears. Frame type tubular steel backbone. Fuel capacity 18.5 liters. Seat height 815 millimeters. Bike weight 207 kilograms. Front suspension rebound and preload. Rear suspension rebound and preload. Front brake 2x300 mm discs, 2-pot calipers. Rear brake 250 mm disc, 1-pot caliper. Front tire size 120/70x17. Rear tire size 180/55x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 46 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £160. New price. Used price £3,000 to £5,000. Insurance group 11 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 104 brake horsepower. Max torque 57.5 ft-lb. Top speed 130 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration 12.1 seconds. Tank range 143 miles.